Hello and welcome to a new session. Today we are going to talk about something fundamental to any digital transformation project: how to measure its success. It is crucial that once you have implemented technology such as artificial intelligence, advanced analytics and automation, you know how to evaluate the results. Are you getting the return on investment (ROI) you expected? Are your KPIs aligned with your strategic objectives? If you are ready to learn how to measure the impact of your digital transformation, let's get started. Today we will explore how to identify the right KPIs and how to calculate ROI to make sure your technology investment is paying off. KPIs, key performance indicators, are metrics that allow you to measure progress towards the strategic goals of your digital transformation. Without clear KPIs, it is difficult to know whether the changes you are implementing are actually improving the operation of your business, or whether you are simply adding complexity without getting concrete results. Some common KPIs in digital transformation include reduced downtime, improved operational efficiency, cost savings, and increased customer satisfaction. These indicators give you a clear picture of whether the technology you have implemented is achieving the expected results. It is critical that the KPIs you choose are aligned with your specific business objectives and the nature of the technology projects you are implementing. Here are some examples of key KPIs depending on the focus of your digital transformation. Predictive maintenance. KPIs such as reduction of unplanned failures, improved asset life, and reduced downtime. Operational optimization. KPIs related to reduced energy consumption, improved material efficiency, and shorter production cycles. KPIs that measure automation of repetitive tasks, increase in productivity per employee, or reduction in operational errors. Selecting the right KPIs is key to ensuring that you are measuring what really matters and that the results you get are relevant to your strategic objectives. One of the most important metrics when evaluating the success of any digital transformation is return on investment, ROI. ROI measures the relationship between the benefits gained from technology investment and the cost of that investment. In simple terms, ROI answers the question, are you getting more value than you are investing? To calculate ROI, you must first identify the tangible benefits you have realized, such as cost savings, efficiency improvements, or increased revenue, time improvements, etc. Then you compare those benefits with the total costs of implementing the technology, including the costs of hardware, software, training, and maintenance. Let's look at some practical examples of how to calculate ROI in digital transformation projects. For example, let's say you implemented an AI-based predictive maintenance system. After implementation, you managed to reduce unplanned failures by 30%, which translates into annual savings of $100,000 in repair costs and downtime. If the total project cost was $50,000, your ROI would be 100%. This means that you have doubled your initial investment in savings. This type of analysis allows you to quantify the real value that technology is bringing to your operation. Once you have identified KPIs and calculated ROI, it is crucial that you monitor these indicators on an ongoing basis. Technology and your business needs are constantly evolving, so what works today may not be as relevant in the future. By continuously monitoring, you can make timely adjustments, ensure that benefits remain consistent, and take advantage of new opportunities that may arise as technology evolves. Let's look at a case study of a company that implemented an artificial intelligence project in their operation. The KPIs they defined included downtime reduction and energy savings. After 1 year of operation, they managed to reduce their downtime by 25%, resulting in annual savings of $150,000, and their energy consumption was reduced by 10%, generating additional savings of $50,000. With an initial investment of $80,000, the ROI of this project was 150%, confirming that the investment in AI was highly profitable for the company. If you are interested in identifying the right KPIs for your digital transformation or need help measuring the return on investment, ROI, of your technology projects, connect with me on LinkedIn. I'll be happy to guide you through the process to ensure that your investment is generating the expected results. Thanks for joining me in this video on KPIs and measuring ROI in digital transformation. With these tools, you will be better prepared to evaluate the success of your technology projects.